Since I wasn't home for the holidays last year, I am extremely embracing the holidays this year and the entire family holiday vibe. I'm doing everything I can to hibernate and be homey and really, just stay in my lane and focus on me. The seasons were made for a reason, and just because I'm in Southern Cali, it doesn't mean that I can't embrace the seasons as well that are going on everywhere else around me. There's a time for us to recharge, to focus on us, to really relax, to give ourselves that little R&R, that inner facelift, that emotional and mental love and clarity, which is why I'm embracing the holidays just as a way to be closer to family. Little arts and crafts here and there are keeping me busy because moving forward every year, I do want to make every Christmas a wannabe snowier Christmas. One of my Shopify businesses is actually one of my goals in the TikTok shop area, and after getting approved, I have mad goals for this shop.
The next day.
Oh, it's clear. Okay, we can cross. Hazel and Mikey coming to you live.
From I don't know where. I don't know where.
Well, we're crossing. Hazel and Mikey together again. What's up? How you doing?
I'm great. Feeling good, feeling great.
I don't know if you guys can hear us here.
Some video.
Ooh, video.
Video sauce.
The camera's way better than that white one I take. Let's stretch here. Out in nature, I spotted a wild animal.
Arr.
It's a monkey.
Arr. It's a monkey.
We're
Crikey, it's a monkey.
What? It's a monkey. We are in this beautiful, beautiful motherfucking forest. Where, you see that house right there? We're not in the forest.
Suburb forest.
Yes, we're in the suburbs of everyone that has a higher economical impact in this world.
See you recording me, recording you.
That could be a song. See you recording me, recording you. That's gonna be the future, huh? Oh shit.
Little nature walk.
They say that it's your birthday, your birthday. So I'm in a little birthday mood because my dad's B-day's tomorrow.
Sorry.
Why does this look super Christmassy? Look at this. Are you hungry? Would you like some berries? The hills are alive with the sound of habitat restoration area. Do not enter OCC 2/546G. Oh, thank you. You went with it. I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is the gist of December in California. Since the sun's gonna go down in about an hour, I'm wearing a long sleeve, but
Shorts.
see that?
Shorts.
He's in shorts. I wear short shorts.
Cacti or cacti?
With tunas on top. Those are yummy. They're tunas. In Espanol, they call them tunas. They have a lot of seeds on the inside, but they're like a watermelon.
Cacti or cacti? Cacti.
Damn, this is some really pretty cactus. Cactus, motherfuckers. I do miss rain, and I wish there was some snow, but man, we're fucking spoiled out here. Our rest stop's coming up. It's not as clear today, but you can still see it. Oh, it's super hazy over there. Is it telling you? It is sage. I have a good eye. What about these? There's these guys, and then there's these guys. It kind of looks a little bit like cotton, but not like cotton. Well, they're all the same. These are, they're all connected. Ooh.
Ready? Yeah, coyote brush.
Coyote brush. How about these little? I'm sure there's the same thing.
Probably just dead. I don't think that's it.
No. Oh well. My butt! Remember jumping off these bitches?
Oh yeah.
I
I haven't been in the swings in years.
I'm gonna try to jump.
Same time? Oh. You're up!
Ow!
That shit fucking hurts,
Ow.
yeah.
Ow!
Are you alright?
Right in the little.
In the fucking.
Here and the fupa.
The fupa? The fuparus?
In the bad little pouch and the fupa, where there's no muscle.
Yeah, it's all fat and fucking uterus.
Beer.
Beer.
Beer and then the fupa ring. Oh wow. Okay, we need more leaves falling because that was very picturesque. All right, before we leave,
Yeah.
I'm gonna point the camera up and you're gonna go like this to that truck.
Oh, that's not gonna shake us, thick as hell.
Ah, damn it. How about this other little one? All right, I'm getting a rock and throwing it up. And the leaves are gonna fall. Why is it tiring to swing?
I don't know, they're old. We could go like for hours when we were kids, like, fuck.
I didn't know that was cardio.
Fuck.
Love the drama. Beautiful things we find on our nature walk. Sacred geometry. See, where is this taking us? Giant soft pretzel. That looks so good. I haven't had a pretzel in like beer cheese since before the pandemic, and since we're having beer, that kind of sounds good.
I'm down. Yeah, I'm down then.
I mean, it's not real lunch, but I'll eat real food later.
No, yeah. We can get like some garlic parm fries too if you want. Like little, you know what I mean? She's really cute. She seems super cool. She might steal me away from you. You're not meeting her. And I hope you do the same. And then you're gonna get the what's it? The Paloma grapefruit, right?
These two earrings I got me from the city when we were dating back when I was a youngin'.
Oh yeah.
And I still had one, and I wanted it as a symbol of to toss it into something.
I was gonna give it to somebody, like as a fucking like a kid or something. But
No, I don't want anyone to have it. I want it to go in the trash as a symbol of fuck you.
let's go outside and we'll film it and we'll smash it. Or we'll just smash it. You recording now?
Yeah.
You said it. Ah! Or maybe you don't need to hold it that much. Damn it. That's
Do you have
bullshit.
your charger? Ooh, an offer.
Offer you can't refuse.
For real.
Bing, 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 bing.
I'd love to continue the conversation, hopefully grab a drink this week or the following. Going through Hinge.
Let's see. How are you looking?
And then you decide.
Oh, he's a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu guy.
What's going on
Got
there?
good hips. Got good hips. Got good balance.
Damn, BDSM?
Choking foods.
BDSM, he choking fools.
Put him on stage. Y'all are trouble. Perfect, because you are.
Monogamy.
I don't understand.
No, but once he gets with me. Okay, so this is what happens when I date someone. They're super sure of themselves.
Yeah.
And then they meet me and they're like, oh, I'm here to like show who I am.
But you're
And then they
stronger
get to know me and then they're like, they start they're like, oh, I'm not cool.
I'm not as strong as you are. Hey. Yes, please.
The George Lopez one.
And then cheeseburger rolls. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, matey.
Many minutes later.
Hey, at the light.
Hey, at the light.
Right.
Hey,
Right.
go straight.
Right.
Hey, past
Right.
the Palma.
Right.
Hey, to Walmart. Hey,
Go, little kid.
neighborhood mart. Hey, by the Knott's Berry Hood food. Hey.
Hey. You're
Whoa,
on,
whoa.
You're on the mic with Mike and Hazel.
1 2 1 2.
Fupa fuck, fupa.
We're talking about FUPA. I mean, we talk about FUPA. What do you guys think about that? Knots, baby.
Fupa crew. Fupa gang.
Gang, gang.
Gang gang. Fupa gang.
What if we had Josiah with us? We'd be like, hey, yo, just some FUPA.
Yeah. No, yeah.
We love you, Joe.
Out here, you know, fucking around like that. Man,
You know what that means?
the hood Walmart.
It's only the cold stuff.
Oh, okay. They have fucking groceries and shit here.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder if they have condoms here then.
Of course they have condoms.
Fuck yeah.
Oh. The kids started crying at condoms.
He's like, fuck, I wish my dad used one.
Damn, the chicken's gone. 148? 148 for that chicken, is it?
148 a pound.
Ooh. I like this, right?
That's a cool Zamboni.
Oh, it's a concrete Zamboni.
It is a concrete Zamboni.
Nail file.
It's a cramboni.
We're getting closer. Cramboni. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you're playing my jam. Oh my gosh, I want to break a hip.
Break a hip. Yo, dance a jig.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting crazy.
They did,
right there.
oh my god. Push it real. Just like that.
I feel like you should need to be like this to my foot. Is that how you dance to the shit? Yeah, I'm just gonna get a nail file over here. Get that one. Thank you so much.
If we were alcohol, where would we be?
To the back.
Please stop filming in fucking Walmart.
Robert up to the front, please. Robert up to the front, thank you.
Ooh, I'm
Rocker
gonna go to the front and call you Hazel up to the front.
That would be hot.
Hazel, stay where you're at.
What if you said BDSM?
Can you call BDSM for me?
BDSM to the front. Like, what? BDSM to the front.
Like, you're like, what's up with BDSM? I was like, BDSM? That BDSM sounds fire right now.
The next morning.
The first week of December is my father's birthday. Going to the place where he was released free is just such a beautiful vibe. Definitely have to remember to always celebrate him because from a very young age, my father taught me that he was gonna die. He taught me that he and everybody else was gonna die. Just naturally, just out of nature, because he was born first. This is what happens in life. And my grandfather kind of incited that in me as well. So even though my father already had his resting place, you know, his tomb site already ready for him, passed unexpectedly, and he did say he did not want to rest there. He said that's not going to be a restful place. He wanted to be set free. He wanted to be cremated and turned into ashes. And the best place for him, aside from the sky, was from the sky to the ocean. Also, my father never wanted a funeral. He didn't want people gathered around, crying or being sad or depressed or, you know, just down. He wanted people to remember him for who he was. All of his best aspects, which was everything. His positivity, his happiness, all of the attributes that he gave with love. So for his birthday, we went to go light a candle over at the beach, you know, overlooking the sea and the sky, everywhere where his freedom now lies. And who knows, his ashes might have landed in some type of beautiful beach by now all over the world, that, you know, the most beautiful beaches. And which is the great thing about, okay, this is great. This seagull appeared the moment that we showed up and kept following us. Very curious of what we were doing. So eventually, just embraced him. Like, we just embraced him, and we took it as a sign. We said, wow, there's his spirit for sure. I don't know about y'all, but for me, ever since I was a young girl, the beach and just the sound of the waves have always been a very soothing and very, very ethereal feeling of zen, of meditation. They always just help me feel cleansed, re-energized. They kind of give me some answers. The sound of water crashing is very meditative, and it brings a lot of answers. Girl, oh my goodness, look at these cute accessories put together with the pearls. And I have this fabric right here. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add it to the rose gold I sent you.